Guys, sorry it's a little dark. Today is Thursday, so I didn't get to vlog Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday because life has been crazy. I think I vlogged one day. I think it was Wednesday or Tuesday. I did vlog, my bad. So I'm about to work out. I'm about to do Shaun T. I'm gonna do his Transform 20. And then I'm gonna cook something. I'm kind of feeling a little pasta-y, so I'm thinking I'm gonna make Italian sausage, some cheese, and the pasta that is low carb that I got, the sauce. It's been a crazy week. Life has been busy, but I feel good. I'm manifesting great things. I don't know what it is. Like, I told myself that May is going to be different. May is really hard for me, so I'm really trying to speak positive in my life and do what I gotta do. So yeah, skin's looking really good. Now I just need the teeth to go with the program. I'm about to beat my kids. Make them like damn noise. What you doing on that noise for? So let's get this workout in. Let go and do what we. You ain't even got no clothes on. Get off. You cannot be in the vlog. You don't have no clothes on. I don't do that type of stuff. Oh hell no. My child won't be on the internet with no clothes on. I still need to get a thing for this damn door, y'all. We're gonna put it on the list, the goal list. Get this, because I'm tired of seeing this. But that's real life for you though. So hey, so let's get this Shaun T on.
Okay.
Yo, this is real sweat. You can see it better with no light on. Oh my God. Look at the face. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. I gotta sit you guys up because my dog, right? He got to my damn mini tripod. Can you see me? He got to my mini tripod, right? My husband thought, oh, I didn't think you wanted that anymore. Wow. Okay. Y'all really want to get my saggy boobs fixed? I feel like they take up more of my body than anything. Like, my tits was up here, I'll be good. I'll be good, y'all. I'll be good. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. Almost forgot about y'all. So right now I'm making Italian sausage. So yeah, remember I told you guys before about the pasta that I use that's really low carb. So I'm gonna pour this and do the serving. This is the serving. So I'm gonna do a half cup, which is only 4 grams. No. Yeah, 4 grams. So yeah. Y'all, it may not look good. Go this way so you can see. Focus. But it's actually really good. I should have cut up the meat a little bit better. But I was kind of trying to do like a ground turkey type of thing. But it actually tastes really bomb, y'all. It actually tastes really good. I put a little cheese. The cheese kind of melted in there. Kind of reminds me of like goulash a little bit, just without the noodles. So if you're really feeling into a pasta kick, you should definitely try this. Or maybe you can add zucchini into it. That's not really my thing. So yeah, I'm just going to do this. And this makes me feel a little bit better. What's good, guys? Today's Monday. And I'm in the middle of doing Shaun T. But wanted to jump on here with you guys. I'm off today. So let's... You got it. Come on. I know you can do it. Working out. I'm gonna make me something to eat. Bummer. So guys, I'm gonna have this. It has 0 carbs. If you guys can see, I'll leave it up there. And you get 3 sausage links for 9 decals, just to make sure. Yep. This is the brand I get. I also get the sausage patties because they're 10 times easier to make, because my oven is, not my oven, my microwave is broken right now. The latch doesn't work. So I like to do quick things. Again, I'm not really a breakfast eater. I don't know if I told you guys this throughout my vlogs. Yeah, I'm really not a breakfast eater. So I just try to make things that are really quick and fast. So I'll be making that and probably drink some more water. I gotta order some more protein stuff because I really like heating up the cookies. Yeah, and I need to order some Misfit protein shake. I like the Quest protein shake, but it's not all that. It's too thick. I don't like it. I don't know. It's just the consistency when you make it, and yeah, I just don't like it. So I'll be back. Hey guys, today is Tuesday. Home from the gym, and just thought I'd let you see what I'm making. I was gonna wait to put the Parmesan on, so that's why you see a little bit of it on there. Making the Parmesan chicken again. Tastes really good. If you guys have not tried it, you should. You can use egg. I don't. Just cause. Yeah, so you can use egg. I don't. But it tastes really good if you put it on there. So what I'm gonna do is I put a little bit on it first, and then once I really get the chicken cooking, I'm gonna add more. And I'm using this brand. You can get any Parmesan, doesn't really matter. And then I'm just adding water in as I go. So that's what I'm cooking. I'm kind of in the week meal prepping because I didn't have time this weekend due to busy life. But that's alright, long as you do what you gotta do to get what you're trying to do. Okay. I just added some more Parmesan crisps to it, since that's kind of the theme I went with. And I probably add some pico de gallo again. So yeah, that's it guys. Easy, breezy meals, low carb. The Parmesan is only 1 carb as well. And the chicken is no carbs at all. So yeah.